Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford F-150 in a Tremor XLT trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. That is an EcoBoost engine, and the Tremor trim comes with some nice upgrades and unique exterior. You've got the front tow hooks, all the orange accents, the hood vents, as well as the vents under the Tremor emblem or badge there, and you've got some Meteor off-road general grabber tires, the platform running boards, a slight suspension lift as well as off-road suspension, and the dual exhaust in the rear with tow hooks as well. But let's take a look inside. And looking into the back seat, you have more of the unique Tremor interior with the cloth and vinyl or ActiveX that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle, you have two cup holders with a 12-volt USB and USB-C and 120-volt power outlet. This truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat and power adjustable pedals. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck information, towing information, as well as your navigation, phone, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. And you do also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. And then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. And then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as your general truck features. So you have driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, trail turn assist, and owner's manual. Trail turn assist also being featured on the full-size Broncos, so if you're going on a trying to turn around on a tighter trail or just in a tighter space in general, it will help you make that turn happen. And above that, you have, or actually shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your truck. And above that, you have your camera view again with your forward-facing camera and your hazards, as well as trail control, which is sort of like cruise control for lower speeds on rougher terrain, usually, well, in 4 high or 4 low. And you have your traction control shut off, as well as having a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, tow, haul, eco, and sport. And then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow, sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl mode, which is featured in the FX4 package, as well as default for the Tremors. And then on the right, you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. Moving down, you have this cubby with a USB and USB-C. Then you have your main shifter with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears and can be collapsed out of the way for more open space, and so that you can fold out your interior work surface. So if you want to work in your truck, eat in your truck, you have a nice flat surface to do so from. Then you have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. Then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, you have 6 upfitter switches up here, which can be wired up however you please. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.